Hello friends, welcome back to my beautiful gardening life, and today is a video on some huge black or dark green leaves that I have in my garden. So I have put them all together and compiled this video. So let us start. This is okay, you might have noticed there is this cut on the leaf and it has given out a red color sap. So I was quite amazed. It kind of looked blood to me, and these things usually happen in my garden because I'm very clumsy and things break, leaves are cut out of my clumsiness. But leaving that aside, I am here to show you some lovely dark leaves, and this is the dark Lord Philodendron that I'm having for a long time in my garden. And I must mention here that I have about 3 plants of philodendron that has dark leaves. So let us continue with the second plant. Okay, the second one is Philodendron majestic or Philodendron black majestic. A very beautiful foliage plant again. The new leaves are dark and as they mature they become this dark green or bottle green leaves. They're so huge in size. They are like a wonder, and this plant occupies a very cozy spot in the garden, and whenever I look it's like just telling me, don't worry about me, I'm just fine, and I'm loving this spot. Okay, so this one was my second one. Let's go on to the third, and the third one is my black ZZ plant. You might have seen a lot of green ZZ plants and they are so easy to get. Likewise is this black ZZ plant. It's a fantastic color to have amongst the green, and it is a beautiful sight, and you don't require to care much about these plants. They like kind of manage themselves. Moving on to the fourth one is my philodendron again. It's a black cardinal philodendron, a very beautiful plant, especially because it has this kind of markings on its leaf and very pretty to look at. The newest leaves are this dark color, and as they mature they kind of become dark green in color. A very pretty plant, you can say, with this dark foliage to add in the garden. And the next one is my Homolomena black. This is a rare variety. I love the color of the leaves, and besides that the shape of the leaves as well. It's a beautiful addition to your garden in case you want different shaped leaves and the leaves being dark in color. It's a beautiful plant. If you get a chance to pick it up, do not think twice, add it directly, yes, to your garden. And the next one is the Syngonium black. This is a new addition to the garden. It was quite a big plant, but in the repotting process I have lost some of its leaves, but I think it will adjust and do well in the garden. And the last one is the most humble and easily available rubber plant, the burgundy red rubber plant. This is there in the garden for a very long time, and rubber plants are easy to care. Just give them ample of bright indirect sunlight, regular watering, and a fertilizer once a year, and they are good to go to give this lovely dark foliage in the garden. Also, I must say here that what is life if it is all green and there is no darkness in it? So if you get a chance, do add some of these plants that I have mentioned in your garden. Well, that is all friends. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video of dark foliage plants, and I see you soon again in the next one. Till then, see you. Take care. Bye.